Eh? Oh shit. That squirrel didn't give a fuck. Okay. What's up? I'm Austin the Asian. It's a beautiful day here in Ohio. Kind of tired. But a few new additions to the bike. So I have the fairings off and I got frame sliders now. Just some cheap eBay plastic. This is a titanium exhaust from a newer Yamaha R6. This is the butterfly, and it's just stuck on with this. And I gotta fix this real quick before I leave, because if you can see in there, it's just a straight hole in the exhaust, and I don't want it blowing on my tire. It comes like straight out. So I'm just gonna turn this. So now the hole is facing outward and not shooting flames into my tires. No funnel. YOLO. It's gonna be a short ride. It's gonna be some rain soon. So hopefully I don't get wet, but probably grab some food, maybe Wendy's. Maybe I'll go get some ramen noodles. Just kidding, I have some. If you ain't got the ramen noodles, then I don't know what you're doing. Headed to Wendy's. About to go through the drive-thru.
Death to America and butter sauce. Don't boil me. I'm still alive.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's over here. Just one moment, please.
Alright. Can I get a 10-piece nugget veal?
Iraq lobster.
What's up?
Iraq lobster.
Alright.
Death to America.
I'll probably look like an idiot drinking this drink.
Have a great day.
You too.
Iraq lobster. Iraq lobster. Iraq lobster. Iraq lobster.
I think I'll go to the park and eat this
bumpy, gravelly road. It's real nice over here in Ohio. Oh man, I hope I don't lose my drink.
And my drink made it. I'm all sweaty. Oh, bro. I just found a penny. Alright. And this is the part where I eat $9 at Wendy's. What you doing? What's up? Eh? Oh shit. That squirrel didn't give a fuck. This squirrel is loving my french fries. Go get it. Go get the french fry. Yeah, that's it. He just grabbed a mouthful and ran. Alright, let's get on the bike. So I'm gonna go ride somewhere where I have service on my phone so I can check the weather. Because of course the place I picked to sit down and eat, I have no service at. Well, hopefully I have like 30 minutes. Okay then, well, there's now an 80% chance of rain and I need to freaking hurry the hell home.
my God, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be real close.
Shit. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
No, it's getting heavier up here. So freaking close. Woo. Yeah. Home in the nick of time. I'm barely wet. Barely wet.
Everybody stay safe out there. They will fear him.